Subscribe the Technodi channel and hit the bell icon to get the upcoming updates notification first.
Update your real-time software. Switch to Real-Time Tracker 11.0. Now the question is why? Why we need to switch the software? We all knows about the serious bug found in RealSoft 10.9 at the beginning of 2020, which is yet not 100% resolved. So is this the only reason? Actually no. There's more. Reason 1 is use of multiple softwares. Previously Realtime has different softwares for different purpose. For attendance, if we have less number of staff, we were supposed to use RealSoft 10.9. If we have more number of employees, we needed to switch to RealSoft SQL 11.0 software. And if we had need of auto SMS or access control management, then we need to use RealSoft access control software. Now coming to next point, which is multiple database. Realtime has two type of database used in different softwares. If you want MS Access database, then you need to use RealSoft 10.9, and if you want MS SQL as database, you need to use RealSoft SQL 11.0. Reason number 3 is purpose-wise software. For different purpose, Realtime has different softwares. If you want auto SMS feature like sending SMS using biometric punch, then you need to use RealSoft Auto SMS. And if you want professional access control management, you need to use RealSoft access control software. Now what's the benefit of new Real-Time Tracker 11.0? Let's have a look. Very first benefit is user friendly. Yes, this software is user friendly as previous one. The reason behind this point is Real-Time Tracker 11.0 software has the same user interface as we have in RealSoft 10.9. So we have same look and feel in the new attendance software also. Now coming to next point, that is unlimited access. So actually this means now you don't need to worry about limitations. Now when you use Real-Time Tracker, you don't need to worry about the huge data of your employees, because this software is capable of holding any number of employee data and there is no limit for that. It totally depends on your computer system, how much data it can hold, and actually how powerful is your system to hold the data and process that much of data. The next benefit is data migration. Actually, it's an easy job in this software to migrate the database. In this Real-Time Tracker 11.0, there is a separate option to take the backup and restore the backup. Actually take the database and restore the database. Even it has a separate option to restore the database from previous version of softwares, which has arms.mdb file as database. Now the next point is multiple database. Yes, now you don't need to think about what database you are going to need, because this Real-Time Tracker 11.0 software is with both MS Access and MS SQL database. By default, when you install the software, it starts with MS Access database, and you can change that to MS SQL as per your need. So now when you have more number of employees, or you need MS SQL as database, or you want to use auto SMS feature, you can switch to MS SQL database just by following the easy steps. The next benefit of Real-Time Tracker 11.0 is multi-purpose software. Yes, this single software can be used for different purpose. In this Real-Time Tracker 11.0 software, obviously attendance and payroll system is there. Along with this, it has real-time auto SMS feature and also professional access control management system. Now the benefit number 6 is auto push. Yes, auto push option is by default here. In this real-time tracker 11.0 software, AutoPose option is by default. You don't need to download the punching data from biometrics. You just do a minor settings in biometrics device, and whenever you run the software, biometric device automatically sends and software automatically receives the punching data from biometrics. Now let's just have a look on benefit number 7, that is auto process. Auto process option is also by default here in this real-time tracker 11.0. This means by auto downloading or manual downloading, you don't need to do any additional process for getting the attendance report. You simply just get the biometrics punching data in software either by AutoPose or by manual download. Rest all the process will be done by software automatically. Now coming to the benefit point number 8, that is temperature detection. Yes, not only temperature detections, but it actually with temperature detection reports. This real-time tracker 11.0 software is now linked with temperature detection biometrics. So now we can get live temperature status of the person doing punch in biometrics, and also we can get that temperature report in a proper report format.